Hey everybody, if you're waking up to a blue screen this morning, you might know why, you might not know why, but I just got alerted just before 7 o'clock. One of our software engineers, who is like amazing, he essentially always scours the internet for issues, software problems, you name it. I'll put him on blast. Marcus, appreciate you. And so what happened this morning is blue screens from nowhere, and airlines, and Google Azure is down, and we've got tons of big companies, websites, storage, you name it, everything is down. And the reason is CrowdStrike. If you're not familiar with CrowdStrike is a cybersecurity company, and it's kind of anti what they do here. They seemingly have been attacked, but that hasn't come to fruition yet. It's just a matter of what we see in the news now is that there's an update within the CrowdStrike software, and supposedly like just a typical update that happens in the background. And when the update happens, all of a sudden your computer is bricked. You have a blue screen and you can't do anything. It's not one of these blue screens where it's a blue screen, you restart the computer and everything's fine again. Nope, this is a blue screen where if you don't do something with it, guess what? It's gonna continue being a blue screen. So what do? You know what, right now, there are manual fixes. We do have manual fixes. We've already been able to figure out for the last couple of hours exactly what to do and how to handle it. So if you do have issues, first of all, don't freak out. It is fixable. Feel free to bring it to us. We can check it out. Make sure if you have the blue screen, we could fix it for you. If you don't have the blue screen and you think you might have CrowdStrike blended into your computer that you paid for, and it's on there, and you're worried that there might be an update, we could check it out as well. We could do a test, see what's going on. CrowdStrike itself, how do you get it? Well, you could pay for it. You can have a third-party, cybersecurity software. I am reading reports and I am getting some information from some of our tech resources that even if you just have plain old Windows and Microsoft and you haven't paid for CrowdStrike, if there's third-party software that you do have connected to your computer, such as if you have a connection to Azure, or if you have, I'm not going to put names out there because they haven't actually been identified yet and they're not 100%, but if you do have specific cloud services on your computer that use CrowdStrike in their servers, and the updates have been updated on their network, and you get connected with them. So anyway, there's a lot of degrees of separation that you can still have CrowdStrike. So even if you haven't actually installed it, you could be, affected by this. So feel free to come on in, let us know of a few repair centers in the city. We're Midtown, Uptown, Soho. We can do remote, but if you already have the blue screen, that's beyond remote, but we can do remote to be preventative. So, let us know, newyorkcomputerhelp.com, you know where to find us. Go on the website and schedule an appointment or stop on in, all right? Hope you're safe, hope you don't have a blue screen yet, and if you do, or if you don't, we're here to help. Thank you.